Hi and welcome to SQL Injection Master Course. My name is Hitesh and below is my web homepage where you can access much more details about me and can leave your very valuable feedback. Now let us proceed and try to find out what we have got in this video. In this video I have got a new lesson for all of you, and for that first of all I'm going to check the status if my servers are running, and MySQL is doing pretty good. So I'll just say service Apache 2 status. So it's running good for us. I'll move my lesson files from root desktop lesson 24 to /var, and in that www master. Like as always, I will again travel to the path that is /var www and master. I'll quickly unzip the file contents of lesson 24.zip. It's pretty good. Now I'll travel to here again, and I would recommend all of you to travel into the directories at least for once and go and have a look on this file, that is index.php. So in this file, surprisingly, we have got lots of blacklist things. Here is our blacklist function, which we are quite usual to. So we have got a asterisk blacklisted, we have got a hyphen blacklisted, just like in the previous video. But again, the things get interesting out here. We've got union in a blacklist, we have got select in the blacklist, and that makes our task a bit more tough. So how to deal up with these kinds of things? For that we have to start our Firefox, and this ampersand is just to run it in a background process. I hope you know that much of Linux, and if not, you can work out on a Linux Windows platform as well. So 24, so union and select. The color is a little bit non-visual out here, but still I hope you are onto your own PC and can point out to your eyes, give some pain to your eyes to see actually it. I'm really sorry about it. So it says question mark ID is equals to 1, login some name. If I do a single quote here, it's giving me an error, but if I do a hyphen plus here, it's not going to work. So this is really a problem how to proceed in this case. Now what we can do here is, like the previous video, I could have used %26 single quote 1, and now it's working. I could have checked it by using a 0 here, and it's not, because it's an AND statement. Both the things need to be true. But again, in this case, last time order by is not going to work because the OR portion of the order will be filtered out. But let's say in this case union select, and I have to give 1 2 3, and it's not going to work, and I know that very well because it's just filtering out the things. You can see that out quite easily, that 1 2 3 and these are being the output. Let's try to filter it by the last thing that we have learned, that is %A0, and in place of space %A0, and here also I'll implement %A0, and okay, things are still not working. Now that's something unusual, but what I can do in this case is very simple. I can change this to a case that is not matching to anything, and you can see things are working now. If I place a 0 here, numbers are being displayed. So what I want to focus you is that there is also a technique, you can personally call it, I call it as personally as the camel case union, in which you can just filter out the union by just making mismatch of the key specific values. Some are in caps, some are not in the caps. It's not necessary that you always put a N out here, but if you'll not do that, will going to happen. You can also put O as a caps. So I hope you got notice what is our goal here. Since the entire caps union is being filtered, entire small without caps union is being filtered, likewise the select, so we are not going to able to put it that. But if a user is pretty smart, he has make some regular expressions on the union that could make it a little bit difficult for us, but hey, we actually learn by difficulties. So make sure that you keep trying on these. So this was all the small lessons on the lesson 24. Rest of the thing is on just on to your try. Give it a try, keep enjoying the SQL injection series. Thank you so much for watching.